Hi everybody. Okay, so here is our experiment to go with our book, Does It Sink or Float? So, they gave us a few things to test out. Let me see how I can best show you. Light bulb. Goodness, sorry, struggling. A light bulb, a key, a spoon and an egg, and a pencil and some scissors. So, we're going to start with the light bulb. Remember that if it hits the bottom, that means it sinks. If it stays on top, that means it floats. I broke my egg. I had to go get a new one. All right, so if it sinks, it goes down to the bottom. If it floats, it stays at top. Okay? First one we're going to try is the light bulb. As long as I can not drop it. Okay? This light bulb doesn't look like the light bulb in the picture. They make light bulbs a few different ways now. And this is the one I had at my house. And so this might work differently than what we originally were expecting. Okay? So let's see what happens. Let's put it down in there. Oh, look at that. Okay, so the light bulb part floats because it stayed at the top. Okay. Okay, so let's take our book. We need to mark that light bulbs float. Okay, let's do the key next. See what happens with this key here. Got a key, car key. All right, let's see what happens. Oh, do you see it in there? Where's it at? Did it sink or float? This one sunk. It's something that sinks because it's at the bottom. Okay, so let's mark it in our book. A key sinks. So those two are different. All right, let's do the spoon next, okay? Got a good old metal spoon. I wonder if it would be different if it was different materials. What do you guys think? A metal spoon versus a plastic spoon? I don't know. Might be a different experiment. All right, let's put it in. See what happens. Okay. So, did it sink or float? It's at the bottom. So, spoons sink. All right, let's mark that. Spoon sinks. Okay. The next one is the egg. Let's see what the egg does. Okay. All right, we got a nice egg here. You think it's going to sink or float? Okay, here we go. Put it in there and see what happens. Ooh. All right, let's pause for a minute. For the egg, I got a little deeper of a container here because I don't think that we were really seeing what it was doing. It was hard to tell because the top was hitting the bottom or the bottom was hitting the bottom and the top was still floating on top. So let's look in this deeper one. Oh, okay, that's easier to tell. So did it sink or float? This egg seems like it might have a hole in it. This is cracked actually. So that might make a difference, I don't know. Okay, excellent. All right, I'm gonna come back. So our eggs sink. At least that egg did. We'll have to research that. See what the book says. The book says that their egg floats, but I'm not, like, maybe they're different. That's hard to tell. Okay, here we are. The next one is the pencil. Okay, here it is, regular old pencil. This one has some vampire bats on it. Alright, so we're going to put it in the water and see what happens. That's pretty cool. What's that one doing? Let's look up from up top. So it's staying on top. So that means that this pencil is what? Sinking or floating? This pencil floats. Let's mark it. Okay, that pencil floats. Cool. Okay, last one is a pair of scissors. So I got a pair of regular old scissors here. Do we think they're gonna sink or float? Okay, let's look. Ready? Here we go. Kind of tell by that noise what they've done, huh? Did they sink or float? At the bottom. These scissors sink. Okay. Okay, so we figured out that a light bulb floats, a key sinks, a spoon sinks, an egg sinks, a pencil floats, and a scissors sink. Okay, a pair of scissors. So, we got almost the same as our book. Our book said that a key sinks, that a light bulb floats, which is the same as us. Spoon sinks, but an egg floats, so that's different than ours, okay? That's all right. And it says a pencil floats, but the scissors sink, just like us. Awesome, guys. That was a really fun experiment. So maybe we'll do another one after this, but maybe go around your house and look and see what you think would sink or float, right? And you can do your own experiment if you want. Okay, it's good to see you all. Talk to you later.